So I just want to share another kind of positive video and kind of show the community coming together. But obviously we're down here at Mills River Brewing in south of Asheville near the airport, obviously Mills River area. And we're here all the time, and we've got family that is pretty involved over here. And you can see them, like many other businesses, running their own food and supply drive. They've got a whole bunch of people here helping out and giving donations. And what's really neat is they've got some fantastic looking fruits and veggies here as well. All free. Amazing. They're also open to the public as well for food and drinks. See, there's kids playing. And all this, despite their own damage from the storm they're dealing with, as they go into their back upper property here. Normally this is full with people on a normal day, especially on a Saturday like today, and you can see in the back of the building here, there's just tree after tree after tree, completely collapsed, broken in half, branches sheared off, somehow just missed the building, like feet away from it. Nobody was hurt, nobody was injured. You can see where the tree hit the lights here. Here's that view going up the hill. Just however many trees. I mean, there's trees back there. There's trees all through the property. Back over here. They're fine. Just everywhere you look, the whole entire surroundings, the whole property has trees down. Yet they're open, serving the community. People here enjoying themselves, having a beer, having some food. Love Asheville.